Hey y'all, so today we are going to be doing some pork meatballs in a sort of teriyaki sauce. Hope you enjoy. So here I just have 1 pound of ground pork. You can probably do this with ground turkey as well as ground beef or chicken if you'd like, but we're going to start by adding a little bit of garlic powder. I'd say that was maybe about a teaspoon or so. Alright. Then we're going to do some Ibotta Complete, which is kind of a garlic seasoning, but it's really good. And then we're going to take some onion powder. I'm not really measuring, but I would say again, this is probably equal to about a teaspoon or so. And you can just eyeball it. Now we're going to add my favorite, which is parsley. I'd say we add maybe like half a teaspoon or so. But you can add, again, however much you like. Okay, so we have some Cup of Almond Teriyaki Sauce that we're going to add. We're going to add about a tablespoon of that just over top of all the rest of the seasonings. Now we're also going to be adding some light soy sauce. I'm going to probably add maybe a teaspoon of that. Just a little bit to give it a little bit of flavor and color. As you watch me struggle to get the soy sauce cap back on. Then we're going to add oyster sauce. I like this because it's in a lot of Asian inspired dishes and it just has a really good flavor. We're going to add about a tablespoon of that to the mixture. We're going to add some minced garlic in here. You can just eyeball this however much you like. I am a fan of garlic, so I'm going to add quite a bit. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 egg to this mixture just to kind of get it together and incorporate all the ingredients evenly. Now I'm going to be giving this a really good mix. I'm going to beat the egg just a smidge, and then I want to try and get everything really well combined and mixed. You'll see here in a second that I actually decided to mix everything with my hands, and I'm just wearing some gloves and getting everything mixed together. You'll see here I have a container of almond flour. I really like to use this in any mixed meat like meatloaf, meatballs, Salisbury steak. I feel like it gives the meatballs a lighter texture, I feel. You can use just regular breadcrumbs or panko. even maybe a little bit of flour or some stale bread with a little bit of milk, and that'll work. And you'll just see that I'm going to shape the meatballs now into little balls. I made quite a few of these. I think I ended up making about 16, if not more, maybe a little bit more than that. But you can just do as many as you prefer and as big as you prefer. So you'll see we're just about done with this. And then in the next clip you'll see I really did get quite a few meatballs with this, so I ended up having to put a few on a top layer just so they all could fit. Alright, so I added about 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce with some sweet and sour sauce, and then also some garlic teriyaki sauce, which is like a Walmart brand thing. And then I mixed it all together with a little itty bitty bit of soy sauce. And then I just scooped the meatballs out of the oven crock, and I tried to get as much oil off as possible, and I put it in the sauce, and I'm just heating it up, and we're just waiting for the broccoli to get done. So this is the finished product. I ended up adding the broccoli to the meatball mixture, pouring it over some white rice. This is the final product. It was so good. I encourage you to try this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.